As most of you know, Rhode Island has a limit on the growth of tax levies, 4% by 2013. But there's no limit to the growth of your tax bills. And the reason? Revaluation. Now, we need revaluation for one good reason: to assure that new buyers pay fair taxes on the properties they buy. But it's terrible for most everyone else. Let's look at some real data in North Kingstown. 2004, the tax levy increased 3.8%, $1.7 million. Without a revaluation, everyone would get a 3.8% tax increase and pay that $1.7 million. But Rhode Island law requires a revaluation every 3 years because some believe it's fair for everyone. Well, let's see. After the revaluation in 2004, tax bills increased for 2/3 of the owners. Their average property value was $295,000. The rest of the owners got lower tax bills, and their average property value was higher, $335,700. The people who got the increase paid $3.2 million more than they did in 2003. That means they paid for the entire levy increase plus $1.5 million for the lower taxes of the other taxpayers. Take it one step further. Let's say that North Kingstown needs no tax increase, zero. Still, nearly 50% of the owners would have paid an extra $2.3 million to the other half of the owners due to revaluation. We believe that's just simply not fair. We believe that your payment to the town should depend on your prior bill and the tax levy, period. New buyers have no prior bills, so they'd have to pay a fair tax on the market value of their property. We call this new plan an owner's charge. Here's North Kingstown in 2007. The tax levy rose by 5.3%. These are the prior bills. Andy will be a new owner who bought Joe's house, and with no prior bill, his charge will be based on the market value of his purchase. We need to know the total market value of North Kingstown, not individual properties, just the total, meaning we don't have to reassess every property and probably can save a considerable amount of money as well. Now, this will give a fair tax rate to apply to all new owners' market values. Andy's charge is $9,900, and it's the same as it would be under the current property tax system. But everyone else is taxed on their prior bills and would pay around 5.1% more to fund the tax levy. Next year, the current charges become the prior tax bills. Andy now has a prior bill as well. If the levy rose, say, 4%, everyone would pay about 4% more. This proposal is revenue neutral. It produces the same revenue as we do now, and new owners would pay exactly the same tax as currently. All owners, new and existing, pay fair taxes every year. The limit on the levy now helps all taxpayers as well. We can end those assessment appeals. Rhode Island might have among the highest taxes, but there isn't any reason that we can't have the best and the fairest taxes in America. And that's a very good thing for people as well as business. Thank you.